Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to free up disk space on Windows. We'll be using PC Manager. It's a free app from Microsoft. It can clean temporary files, remove unnecessary files, find large files, find duplicate files, and help improve your PC's performance. If you don't have PC Manager installed, and you'd like a step-by-step guide on how to download and install it, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video on it. Now let's get started. Go to Windows Search. Search PC Manager. Open it. Click Boost. Wait for the boost process to finish. Now click Deep Cleanup. Wait for the scan to complete. Click Select All. Then click Proceed. Wait for the cleanup to finish. Now go back. Click Manage Large Files. Select the drive you want to scan. Wait for the scan to finish. Review the files. Delete any files you no longer need. Go back again. Click Duplicate Files. Select the drive you want to scan. Wait for the scan to finish. Review the duplicate files. Delete the duplicate files you don't need. Go back again. Click Manage Apps. Uninstall any applications you no longer use. Finally, open your recycle bin. If it contains any files, right-click it. Then click Empty Recycle Bin. Now open this PC. Check your drives. You should now have more free disk space. The amount of space you recovered depends on your PC. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want a guide on another Windows topic, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.